Good morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm here again at the Australia Post Business Hub. I've got a call here to pick up one of my packages, one of my goods. I'm expecting, I think 600 units of a particular product I'm selling currently on Amazon, and I was asked to come down here to collect it because it's too heavy for them to deliver it. So I'm down here at 7 in the morning, and I'm here basically waiting for them to let me in to pick these goods up. Now, this is the thing, right? I didn't sell this particular product by FBA. This is really an FBM sort of deal, right? Where I have to get the products, come down here, and basically pick up the goods myself, right? I'm not saying you do this at all. You don't particularly want to do this particular product. You don't want to do it this particular way, right? You want it immediately to go to the Amazon warehouse. You don't want to be dealing with the customer service. You don't want to be dealing with the customer support. You don't want to be having to go down to Australia Post to pick up your goods, and you don't have to do it. I'm doing it because my particular product I'm selling on Amazon is a relatively heavy product, okay? It's not a light, fluffy product. It's reasonably heavy, okay? And it's a fragile product as well. So I wanted to take the reins personally, so to speak, and come down here and pick it up myself. Now, like I said, you don't want to be doing that yourself. You want to really be enabling the shipping company to send directly to Amazon for you, and that way you don't have to deal with any of this sort of stuff. Now, I also wanted to mention, don't forget that Christmas is coming up. So we are at the precipice of something huge. Not only has Amazon spurred massive growth this year because of obviously what happened, with the lockdowns, and now Melbourne's talking about more lockdowns, and Queensland, New South Wales might go back into lockdown, or Sydney might go back to lockdown. Queensland, for some reason, people popping up with COVID in the sewerage, so they, you never know what's going to happen in Queensland. Sometimes there is random, and some of the statements they say are as useful as a chocolate flavored teapot, right? Or teapot made of chocolate, right? So Amazon's growth might actually go a lot longer. So here I am here. I'm just about to walk in. Now guys, don't forget, you don't want to be doing this. I'm down here today because I'm picking up 600 very heavy, fragile product units of my product, but you don't want to particularly be doing this yourself, all right? Have a great day. Stay safe. Talk soon.
Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.